Hey guys, Mr. Cochrane here again. Obviously it's swimming sports day, but I thought I'd record a couple of videos for you guys, or mainly just one really. Ben had a really good email and he sent me one that said, how do you copy some content from last year's Google Classrooms? And is there an easy way to add some students as a group? So I thought I'd just show you guys a real simple way to do that and sort of maybe how I'm managing my Google Classroom and especially that content stuff. So let's just jump straight into it. And that one. Okay, so this is my Google Classroom. I'm signed in. You can see I've got a whole bunch of classes in here all set up, ready to go. Up here in the top with this little burger main menu thing is, let's go here. You're going to find a list of all your classes and any archived classes. So if I jump back into my active one, I haven't had my Phoenix Studios guys yet, so I can hit this button and say this is my last year's class. I can hit archive. It's then going to basically archive or mothball that entire classroom and get it out of the way so it's no longer active. Kids can't log in, they can't see any of that stuff anymore. You still can though. That's the wonderful thing. You go up to the burger at the top, come down here to archived classes, and you're going to see a huge rack. So these are all the classes I've ever taught at Waihi College. I've sort of been deleting a few as I go and as I update, but see how they've got like the white stripy line? That means they're archived. Now you might find that maybe you're going to do something where you're going to bring you back your Phoenix Studios for this year. Go to the triple dot and you can either hit restore. Restore brings back the entire classroom, all of the students and everything. But the thing I quite like to do is this copy one. So you go copy, I'm going to call it Phoenix Studios, the right thing. I'm going to hit that button. It's then going to copy that entire class, all of the resources, all of the assignments, everything, all of the content that you've loaded up into it is now creating a copy of. The only thing it won't copy are the individual students who are assigned to your class. So I'll jump back in here and you can see that it's just finishing off creating a class. I jump in and I'm pretty sure I haven't actually loaded anything in here. Oh no, here they all are. And look, here's all my assignments, the pre-productions, everything. It's sitting there as a draft. So obviously you would be making some changes, assigning different stuff and people like that. Obviously then just go into your dots on the side and then change up whatever it is you've got to change up. That is probably the easiest way to like copy an entire class and also get rid of all of those classes that you don't want to see anymore. Second part of Ben's question was, is there an easy way to add groups to your classroom? Yes and no. You can kind of go Kmart crazy and export a comma separated values file and import all of these emails and go from there. The other way to do it is hit the people tab and the plus. You could start typing kids' names in. So I might say Jack and Liam and whoever else is in my class. The other way you can do it is you can invite students with a link. You could send them this link via their email. But for me, and the easiest way I find to do it is I make the kids work for it. So on the stream, I jump in here and I just bring up this giant code and I say, input that code into Google Classroom. I just realized you probably couldn't see half the stuff I was just doing. So hit the code here, jumps up a big thing. That's the one I find really easy. The other way to do it is jump into people, add the plus, and start typing names. So Jack, Liam. In terms of groups, you've really got to go through Kmart, export a bunch of email addresses, put in a semicolon at the end of them, and then bring it all in. For me, I just find it easier just to type them straight in here. I might even have my Kmart on one side and my other stuff on the other, and I'll just sort of transpose the information from that. So I hope that helps. I'm trying to keep them really short and sharp and simple. If you have any questions, reach out, but definitely archive your classes and then restore them back and copy them back is going to be your easiest way forward for all of those resources. The other thing I will show you, which I guess it's a new thing, you might have multiple classes across multiple lines. What you can do is when you create an assignment, say I'm going to call this a test assignment, up here in this right hand corner where it says for Phoenix Studios all students, you can actually hit this list. It drops down all of your active classes and you'll say actually this activity is for year 7 and 8s, year 10s, year 11s and those year 12s, and it's going to automatically then post that one assignment across all your different classrooms. That's just a pro tip for you. So there you go. Hopefully that helps. Until next time, Mr. C, out.